Today's topic is time. आज का विषय है टाइम यानी वक्त. Age. Noun. The period or length of time someone has been alive or something has existed. A particular period of history as distinguished from others. For example, the Stone Age, the age of electronic communications. Age यानी उम्र या आयु. किसी भी समय, व्यक्ति, काल, परंपरा के जीवित रहने का समय या अवधि. Calendar. Noun. A printed table showing all the days, weeks, and months of the year. The system used to measure and arrange the days, weeks, months, and special events of the year according to a belief system or tradition. The Christian, Jewish, or Chinese calendar. Calendar. साल की हर तारीख और दिन का विवरण देने वाला कैलेंडर कहलाता है. Dawn. Noun. The period in the day when light from the sun begins to appear in the sky. We woke at dawn. Dawn. सूर्य की पहली किरण को dawn कहा जाता है. Daily. Adjective or adverb. Happening on or relating to every day. Exercise has become part of my daily routine. Daily. हर दिन घटने वाली घटना. Day after. It should be day after tomorrow. This is incomplete. It can be day after tomorrow. Day after. दिन के बाद. Day after tomorrow का मतलब होता है आने वाले कल के बाद का दिन. Day before. It should be day before yesterday. This is also incomplete. It should be day before yesterday, the day before yesterday, 2 days ago. Example, I rang her the day before yesterday. Day before. बीते हुए कल से पहले का दिन day before कहलाता है. Day. Noun. A period of 24 hours, especially from 12 o'clock one night to 12 o'clock the next night. It is used to refer to the period in 24 hours when it is naturally light, a bright sunny day. Day. 24 घंटे का एक समय, 8 पहर का एक अंतराल, सूर्योदय से लेकर सूर्यास्त तक का समय. Dusk. Noun. The time before night, when it is not yet dark. It is also called evening time. Dusk. यानी संध्या का समय. शाम का वो समय जब न पूरी तरह से सूर्य डूबा हो और न पूरी तरह से चंद्रोदय हुआ हो. Era. Noun. A period of time of which particular events or stages of development are typical. For example, the Mughal era. Example, they had worked for peace during the long era of conflict. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the end of an era. Era. एक ऐसा काल या समय जिसमें कुछ घटनाएं घटित हुई हों. Evening. Noun. A part of the day between the end of the afternoon and night. A chilly evening. Evening. दोपहर से लेकर रात के बीच का समय इवनिंग कहलाता है.